Hello. Well, this morning I have a Dent in a Mazda CX-5. It's in the passenger door. As you can see there, the dent's around 2 inches. It's $120 plus tax. This should go very quickly. All right, see you when it's done. Alright, got that one done. Came out great. Pretty quick, just like I thought. Put a square around where the dent was. As you can see there, no distortion. And then if we look down the side, you can see there's nothing there. This dent came out absolutely perfect, and that's what I strive for. Alright, if you got one that size, maybe a little larger, I'll fix it for you. Give me a call.